Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you on another what I eat in a day journey. So I am currently down 33 pounds on the keto diet and I am feeling so much better. Like, things are going really well. If you don't know part of my journey yet, I have autoimmune disease. I suffer from multiple sclerosis and a couple of things like PCOS and all the things. And so I'm looking to not only shed the pounds, but to help my body heal and feel better. So if this stuff interests you, keep watching, stay tuned, and I hope this brings you a lot of great ideas and encourages you to stick to your journey. Okay guys, we're gonna start off with a cup of coffee. I already got my coffee brewed, and I always add a big scoop of this, and it's like 2 tablespoons. I just got it out of Walmart. It's got MCTs, butter, salt, all the things you need. So this definitely helps to get your metabolism going, helps you keep you in ketosis, and the MCT oils are so great for your brain health. So this is where the magic starts, right here. When I first started drinking coffee, I could only have it black. Like that's how it was ever really introduced to me. I don't count going to like Caribou Coffee because like in high school, I would always get like the dessert drinks, right? Because I was like super funny, didn't care about the calories. But now, kind of got it, right? But once I started adding like the creamer, the keto creamer to this, like it was nice. It was subtle and it was creamy and it was really lovely to enjoy. So I will graze on this all morning. The key to a Bulletproof coffee is that you graze on it for most of your morning. So that way you don't break your calorie count. Because I believe it's like if you go over 50 calories, then it breaks your fast. So if you graze on it and just sip it all morning, you can still like enjoy some caloric intake, get your fats in, but you are not upsetting your routine. So tip of the day. Okay, so I pre-made a whole bunch of these egg cups. They are mixed with, it's scrambled egg made with mayo and salt and pepper and cheese. And then we have some homemade dip here made with sour cream and mayo and some yummy mix-ins. And then asparagus from the other day, and then I'm going to have some of these barbecue pork rinds. So I am stoked. Hey guys, okay, so my meal was really good. It's super filling. And I think what I love about keto too is that you don't have to eat a whole lot to feel full. So anyway, I'm taking some time sitting on the deck getting some fresh air, and it's a beautiful day. It's beginning of August now, and we're getting ready for school and all the things, so life is good. So much for watching. I'm sure you saw the picture. I'm gonna post a picture before this. I was so hungry. I totally didn't video it, but I managed to snap a picture of it, and yeah, it was just one of those days where I'm like, I am so ready to eat. So it was absolutely delicious. I will leave information about that recipe in the description box below. Thank you for following me and my journey with keto, and make sure to subscribe. You know, I'm planning on popping out more of these videos and connecting with new and more people, and I can't wait. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.